Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best AI website and apps collection you need to know with over 5,000 free resources. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about AI. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. If you go to this particular website right here, there is an AI for that.com. So that is the URL website to this particular landing page. On getting to this website, you can simply scroll down and see thousands of AI tools that you can use all for free. So you can scroll down and browse by month, such as we have everything here from July straight down to 2015. That is the revolution of AI. So you can also scroll down like this. The more you scroll down, the more you see AI tool that is going to load up. So let's, for instance, if you are interested with any AI tool right here, what you need to do, let's say I'm interested in this folder right here. I will right click on it, then I will make sure I click on open in a new tab. Then it's going to open up in a new tab just like so. So once it takes you to the official page of the site, you can simply come to the top right here and create a free account and start using the tool. You can come back to the landing page right here and check on any other tool, any other AI tool that you would like to use. Let's, for instance, I want to work with an image generator AI. So just like so, we have one right here, image generator. I will right click on it, then I'll make sure I click on open link in a new tab, just like so. Then I'll head over to the tab. Then it's going to open up just like this. So I can simply scroll down and read detail about the tool before I go ahead and visit the tool website. Okay, so for you to visit the tool website, what you need to do is to simply for you to visit the tool website, what you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and look for visit website. So it's going to take you to another web page. So the name of the site right here is trilib.ai. So this AI tool here allow you to generate image for free with just your prompt. What you do is that you just come here and enter your prompt. When you enter your prompt, click on generate and you get your image all for free. Okay, so you can scroll down and read detail about the tool right here. So you can simply scroll down and read detail about how best you can use this tool to create free image. So the first step here is input your prompt or text, then click on generate. The last stage is where you fill your image and then you download. It's as simple as that. You can scroll down and explore some of the tools that you can use on this particular website, such as AI image generation, AI text to speech, AI content detector, AI YouTube video to blog post, AI lead research, AI paragraph tools. You can scroll down and read more about this particular trilib.ai. So for you to use this tool, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on get started for free, and then you create a free account and start using all these tools. Okay, so basically this is one of the best AI tool website collection that you can use right now. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about AI tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.